So good evening people, and this is the first good evening vlog. Sun is nowhere to be seen, but you've got to see this. Now this flower is called Venenculus. Looks like a rose, but it is not a rose. And just look, I mean, this is quite amazing. I can do a proper 360 as well, and this is still opening. If you can see, a lot of petals have not opened. But anyways, the good news is I got some goodies, and the best part is I finally got the panniers are back in, but yeah, this is what I'm talking about. This thing, and this is the rear seat. So yeah, finally got it. This is the part number, and this is the price, 2,675 INR plus taxes, but got it, finally got it. I'm so happy. I mean, it was quite a pain to ride the bike. Let's keep it here. Without this, I still don't have the toolkit though. Among other things, I had ordered quite a few things, so the toolkit is still not there. But yeah, this is the unpacking for a rear seat. This is the portion that is used to lock it, and this is where I fumbled the last time and lost the rear seat. Now we'll be putting this back in. Now this is the side guard. Again, I should take this out, but yeah, this is the leg guard. As I said, and as I discussed the last time, I had I not crashed, but yeah, so this was cracked kind of, and this needs to be replaced. And I do like these kind of leg guards which bend and break rather than breaking the chassis. So two good news today actually. Had zip tied it on the rear seat, and here we go. So this is the price, 1,270 plus taxes, and there has to be a part number. I am not sure where it is. Yeah, there it is, 888529. Now I'll be putting these at a later time. Need some time, and I only need to put the one that is on the right side because the bike has luckily not fallen on the left side yet, so left side is still intact. So I'll be only using the right side one, but they don't provide individuals, so you have to buy them in pair. But anyways, this is the seat, and as I told you, I was using zip ties to lock the front seat, and these are one, so I'll be opening these first. So as a quickie, now this is the toolkit that I use to repair my mobiles. Yeah, I do that as well, and these do come in handy to take care of the zip ties so that you don't have to cut them. So just using this smallest screwdriver from the toolkit, and let me try and get an angle. So yeah, as to the tip to make the zip ties reusable, I'm just gonna try and get one of these out at least. Here we go. Now from the other side, you just put in the smallest screwdriver that is, and I hope you can see this link. You put in here, and like this, and it will slide through. Again, doing the same thing, putting it between the locking mechanism, locked again, but again. So here and here, this is ready to go, and you simply pull this out. So one out. Same for the second one. As you can see, this, putting it in and just sliding it through. The idea is to open them up like this. Yeah, I mean, it can get a bit tricky, but overall the idea is quite simple. Keep it in, and this would be fairly reusable. So yeah, that's back in. Now let's get the seat. Yeah, so as I was saying, zip ties can be reused now. Like the way I opened them, there was no, I mean, there is absolutely no way to cut them. And there is the seat. Oh my god, this is making me happy. Again, to put it back, sorry. This notch, this one goes into this, and yeah, that's back in. That is beautifully back in. Now this is looking like a good bike, right? Yeah, okay, there is some color difference between the front and back, but yeah, this is how it is. Looks nice. Finally the bike is complete. I mean, I don't know, I just liked it with the rear seat. Yeah, classic 500 or classic 350 can look better without the rear seat, but this looks good with the seat. This Alcantara kind of a finish that you have, which feels like a suede, this feels nice. Now properly locked in, and I'll be sure to always make sure to just hammer it down whenever I open it so that I don't lose it again. Toolkit is still on back order. That might take another 10-15 days. I'll let you know. And the next video would be on how to put the leg guards. As I said, right one has not seen any damage, but when you look at this side, this is completely kaput, so this needs to be changed. I'll be posting a video on this, a short vid, in the next section. Thanks. Bye.